Welcome to BVM Global at CBE.
Greetings to everyone. The Resource Department Counseling is here with the project topic Rapport Building. Rapport is a connection or relationship with someone else. It can be considered as a harmonious understanding with a person or a group. If one learns the art of rapport building, they can build mutual trust and friendship. This is incredibly beneficial to our career, opens many ventures, and helps us build good interpersonal relationship. This is not only a tool for building relationship, it is also a foundation of success. The trust we build makes others accept our ideas, share information, and open opportunities together. Thank you.
Vanakkam, ma'am.
Nice to see you all.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Nice to
then
meet you.
now myself, Dr. Bani Lekha Fugon. I did my MSc and PhD from Abnasalingam University. Do you know that university?
Yes,
ma'am.
my sister did her human development over there. BSc
Yeah,
human.
human development. That also called child development. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So we all know what
Okay.
is Assam famous for, which is usually tea and the climate there and the greenery there, and then exotic amount
Yes.
of species. So apart from that, we have we have sat together and formed a few questions for you, ma'am. So
Okay.
if you give permission, we can start.
Yeah, you can start. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So today we have Dr. Vani Lekha Kukhan, Assistant Professor, Department of Home Science, Vilyajan Girls College, Assam. First question, Amrita, you can go.
Yes, ma'am. So hi, ma'am. My name is Amarta. So I'm here with my
Hi.
first.
Mm.
So if we were to visit Assam, so what are the tourist places you would recommend us to see, ma'am?
Okay. First of all, the most famous one is like Kaziranga National Park.
Okay, ma'am.
You know about that national park, no? One horn rhino is famous for one horn rhino.
Yes.
So
ma'am.
you can visit that. We have two national parks. Like one is Kaziranga National Park, another one is Manas National Park. You can visit. Kaziranga National Park is in like Upper Assam. We have Upper Assam and Lower Assam. Okay.
Yes.
So Kaziranga is famous, and another one is Kamaikya Temple. It is in
Kamaikya
Guwahati.
Temple.
Ma Kamaikya Temple, goddess. Kamaikya Temple, very famous. And another one is River Brahmaputra. Did you hear that
definitely.
name? River?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes,
And then we have Sipsagar. It is a historical place. You can visit like Sipsagar. That one is the place of Ahom dynasty.
Definitely
They
we'll
have
meet
ruled-
once. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And then you can see palaces, temples, and all in Sipsagar and Tezpur. Okay. That are the
Definitely we'll
places
go
you can
visit
visit.
those places.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome.
Next, Pooja has her question, ma'am. She'll ask you. Yes, Pooja.
Okay.
Hi, mom. This is Pooja here. Okay, I have a question for you, mom.
Okay.
According to you, what is the
Mm.
practice in your culture that makes it entirely unique from other culture, mom?
What is because we have like festival is same for others. Okay, we have Bihu. We celebrate Bihu. Bihu is our national festival. In April, we have 3 Bihus. Like in January, we have celebrated Magh Bihu, that is called. And another one is in April, that is Bohag Bihu. another one recently, like in October, it's a Kati Bihu. We celebrate that Bihu, and we have Bihu dance. Did you ever
Okay.
see that dance, Bihu dance?
Uh, yes, ma'am. So we on the note of project day, we 3 students have actually attempted to perform it, ma'am. So we'll surely share our attempt to you once the video is out. We'll share the attempt.
Okay, sure. And our culture also, it's different from others only. And then, what to say? Assam is very famous for their hospitality, means
Okay, ma'am.
caring nature. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it okay, or I have to say more?
No, ma'am. We have a few more questions following the culture.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Okay,
Gayu,
okay.
shall I shoot my question?
Yes, Shakti.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am,
hi,
next we
ma'am,
have
this is Shakti
Shakti.
Hariharan.
Ma'am.
Mm. Hi.
So, hi, ma'am. This is Shakti Hariharan. Yes, ma'am. Hi,
Okay.
ma'am. So, how do you do, ma'am?
Yeah, nalla irukku.
That's so sweet of you, ma'am.
Nalla irukku.
Thank you so much.
கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்
So,
கொஞ்சம்
my-
கொஞ்சம் தெரியும்.
Uh, so, how many years you have been in Tamil Nadu, ma'am?
6.5 years.
Nice, ma'am. So, my question for you is that there are many differences as well as similarities about the cultures we practice here in Tamil Nadu and about the Assamese culture.
Yes.
So, what is your thing on that, ma'am? What are the differences and similarities that you find in these two cultures?
Some difference I didn't see. All I miss similarity only. And then you also, your staple food is rice, right? Rice. We also
Yes,
eat
ma'am.
rice and all. But and then your hospitality also good. Very welcoming people. I like Tamil people a lot because my friends, most of the friends from Tamil Nadu only. So I didn't see any difference because it's because we are in India, no? So it's same culture and all. So all are very welcoming. So I didn't see any difference. It's all good. Means it's similar only with Assam. Only language is the difference. Language is the barrier, but other thing, everything is similar only, more and less similar.
Did you found it like very difficult to get adapted to this region, ma'am? Because from the region to language to
Yeah.
the food, everything
When
differs. So
I
how did you
have
manage
entered-
with that thing?
Yes. When I have entered for my MSc course, and then that time it was very difficult. But my Vaishnavi ma'am, you know, they are my roommate that time. So I have learned from them. I have 4 roommates, 2 from Tamil department and another 2 from psychology department. They taught me Tamil very nicely, means so I can read also Tamil somewhat. So it
Really
was
good, ma'am.
it was difficult for me for some like 6 months. So after interacting with them, no, I have learned a lot. So now I can somewhat understand Tamil. Because of my
Okay, ma'am.
friends
Thank you,
and
ma'am. Thank you.
teachers, I have learned a lot.
So because of that, you found it slightly to be easy to cope up
Yeah,
with this
easy to
things.
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, Shakti. Ma'am, now I have a question for you.
Okay.
So, what is your thought on role of women in Northeastern society, ma'am?
Yeah, in Northeast, no, we have 7 sisters, you know, 7
Yes, ma'am.
states we have. So we have the power of that freedom, no, the women freedom we have.
Okay.
Like that, I told you before, like that we worship that goddess, no, that Kamaikha, that is the power of she is for him. This is like power, Shakti, you know, Shakti,
Yes,
power,
yes.
goddess, like that. How we worship them. And then for us also, we have equal rights with men. It's not like that man dominated or something like that. We have equal power. So women empowerment is good because we have self-help groups.
Yes.
You know about,
Yes,
do you know
ma'am,
about the
yes, ma'am.
self-help groups?
Yes.
We also have that. And then like that we have all the means freedom to expose ourselves here. And then in Assam we don't have that culture, but in Meghalaya, do you know
Yes, ma'am.
Meghalaya?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Meghalaya, Shillong, no, you know the capital is Shillong. That in Meghalaya, no, what they will do, they can is after marriage. Our means Indian culture is like the girls should go to the boy's house, right?
Patriarchy, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
After your
ma'am.
kalyanam, you have to go to your means groom's house. In Meghalaya, what they will do, the boy should come to the girl's house. The girl will marry the boy,
Okay.
groom. So
It's
they have
quite
that
unique. We
women like
haven't heard about it.
you didn't. That is a means
No,
we
ma'am.
have like you didn't hear this.
Yes, ma'am. I kind of
About
know
what,
that
ma'am?
Meghalaya is having a matriarchal society. They follow matriarchy.
Matriarchs like that. In Nagaland also we have somewhat like in our northeast. No, we give the importance to the women.
Okay, all right. Ma'am,
And
now,
we don't have dowry system.
oh, that's appreciable, ma'am, actually.
Dowry system.
Yes.
That one is, we don't have that. Okay.
So next we have Carolyn to.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have Carolyn next, ma'am.
Okay.
Like continued, huh?
Yeah.
So good afternoon, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, fine. How are you?
Good, ma'am. So, like, my question for you is that do the people of Northeastern India still give importance to like the various festivals celebrated in the art forms such as dance and music, ma'am? Like, is this culture still
Yes,
prevalent there?
Yes, same. Like recently it was Diwali festival. We also celebrate Diwali. Before that, Durga Puja.
Yes.
We celebrate and we celebrate our own means national our own national festival, Bihu. Like
Bihu.
Bihu is our national festival. And the thing is, in January you celebrate Pongal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Pongal. Same thing we celebrate Magh Bihu. Magh Bihu. Magh
In the
Bihu
month of
is
January,
like,
ma'am.
yeah, this is same like your Pongal. And then you celebrate in April is a New Year. For Assamese New Year, that is Rongali Bihu.
Okay.
Rongali Bihu. And then one more Bihu is there. So we celebrate all the things like Kali Puja, Durga Puja, and Diwali. All the festivals we celebrate.
So, what is the basic idea of these festivals, ma'am? Like, for example, Pongal we celebrate as a dedication to the farmers. So, what about this Bihu?
Same. Bihu
Farmers.
also it's a harvesting festival.
Okay, nice, ma'am. So, can you please share a few lines about your favorite music or dance, ma'am?
Favorite
Music or dance form?
dance form. Dance form I like all. Means like I have seen your Karagatam. Okay,
Karagatam. Yes, ma'am.
Karagatam I have seen a lot, and then Badaga dance, Badaga or what OT dance, no?
Badga. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I like
Yes, ma'am.
Badaga.
Natives of
Badaga
OTP.
dance. Yeah, that one I like, and then I like my own Bihu dance.
Bihu. Yes, ma'am.
You
So, what
just
about music,
searching,
ma'am?
Music is song. You are
What
saying
about music?
music song. I like all
Yes,
the songs.
ma'am.
I like Tamil songs.
Ma'am, can you please
Oh,
sing a song for us,
nice,
ma'am?
ma'am. Just 2 lines for us, ma'am.
Because I left Coimbatore in 2016. Okay, so I forgot the lines, but Anbe and Anbe, something one song is there.
Yes, ma'am.
I forgot. And then one is there. 1 second. That Surya and Jyotika, one song is there very famous.
Unbeva, ma'am.
That one, Munbeva. And
Munbeva
Anbeva,
and Ambeva.
Pupu, something like, I forgot.
Pudeva,
And then,
Pupuvai.
Pupu, yeah, I like that. And then that Zayam Rabi, one song is there, very famous, with Kangana Ranawat. That
That is
one is
also
Anbe
Anbe
and
and Anbe, Unbe Ripa.
Anbe and Anbe. Yeah, I like Surya a lot.
Oh,
And,
nice.
and yes, and then I like Nayantara. Nayantara I like.
Nayantara, even I'm a fan of Nayantara. Wow.
Yes, yes. And Dhanush also I like. Dhanush.
Nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you sing a few
Thank you, ma'am.
lines in Assamese song, ma'am?
Assamese song is like, because I can't sing because my voice is not so good. But if I can share some my favorite songs, means like I can give your ma'am WhatsApp like what is my favorite song, because singing is, I can't sing. My voice is very bad.
We can manage.
Anything, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's fine, ma'am. We are ready to hear.
Like, yeah, like that. Nohole porisoi hiare sina ki janu kunu hobo pare, like that. But I can't sing that.
It's
Ma'am, it was
actually
actually
very
very,
nice.
it was actually very sweet, ma'am.
And other song, now I am very nervous, so I forgot all the lyrics.
Are we that scary, mom?
And then what about you people? You means what is your favorite music? Means
Like
A.R.
we listen
Rahman,
to
no?
like all types of music.
All
Yes.
types of music.
Yes,
Okay.
And also like
Even for
then
this,
South India is
Movies
Movies
and
and
also.
all.
Amrita, you go
Any-
forward.
No, ma'am,
Anyone
recently,
is
as
there who
Gayatri
can
said,
sing?
yes, ma'am.
Anyone is there who can sing?
Yes, ma'am. Carolyn can sing, ma'am.
Hey, no, mom,
you
sorry,
tell
you
her to
can't
sing
hear
a
me, mom.
song.
She's a very good
Okay,
singer.
you
Ma'am.
sing
She
a
can
song.
Carolyn.
Sorry, mom.
Yes. So you, Carolyn, you sing a song for me.
Oh, ma. Sorry. Okay, you tell me any song, I'll do it, mom.
You
Okay,
sing her favorite song only. Munbeva, you sing.
Munbeva
Okay,
you
I'll do that,
sing.
mom.
Okay.
Please suggest, mom. I won't be. I won't sound
Munbeva.
good, but please.
Munbeva.
I apologize.
Munbeva. You don't know that song?
I know, mom, but but it
Carolyn,
won't
we
sound
all know
good.
that you sing
Yes.
very
Your
great,
favorite-
so
you-
just
you
go
Come
forward.
on, Carolyn. You can do it.
Yeah, you
Come on.
sing
We can
your
do it.
favorite song. Your favorite song. Any song.
Illa,
I like
Munbeva
all-
is fine, mom. Just 2 lines I'll do.
Patulan, okay.
Munbeva ennandeva kudeva uireva Munbeva ennandeva poo poo. I don't know the lyrics, mom.
Yeah, but it's a good, very good voice.
Thank you, mom. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for singing for me.
Thank you so much, mom.
Okay.
Ma'am, next Shakti has another question for you. Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So before 3 to 4 years, we went to Gangtok, ma'am. As a family, we went there for a trip.
Okay.
So what we noticed there was, unlike here, not particularly Tamil Nadu, unlike here, there the collectivistic view, the collectivistic things they do is something very unique, and that is something they like a lot rather than individualistic things. So what is your take on that, ma'am? Mainly the tribal societies and all.
Tribals, they are very open-minded. Okay. First one is open-minded. Second one is straightforward. Whatever they can't like they can't hide things and all. Whatever they will say, in front of you, they will say. Means straightforwardness is there for tribal people. And then they are very nice and gentle. And then very caring people. Tribal people. I also went there. I also like Gangtok people. and they are also like our 8 sisters now. Before it was like 7 sisters. Now Sikkim also is included. So we have 8 states. So 8 sisters like that.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
Assam
Thank
also,
you.
if you will meet the tribal people, same thing, same vibe you will get.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have Amrita ask a question.
Okay.
So, ma'am, actually, we learn many things from Google, ma'am. So, like, if you want to know anything about Assam or the Seven Sisters, we learn from Google. So, what will be the one thing you want us to know, which is not there in Google or any online platform, ma'am?
Online platform, no? What to say? We have means different culture here. Okay, like we are Assamese, like that. Not only Assamese people live here. Some
Okay.
are like Bodo. Bodo is a tribe. So Bodo people also live here, and missing also a tribe. So if you see Bodo people, they have different dance form. Their culture is different from us. Okay, language also different. Okay, and then if you see the missing people, their also language is different. They will speak Assamese. Okay, with us, but they have their own language and script
Oh,
also
okay,
they
ma'am.
have. The Bodo
Okay,
people,
okay.
they have script also. They will
Okay.
use Assamese also, and their own script also they will use. And their our traditional dress is mekhela sadar.
Mekhela
Okay,
Sadar. Okay, ma'am.
mekhela sadar is our Assamese traditional dress. And then what they for Bodo people, they have their, they will say dokhona.
Dohona.
Dokhona, okay. That
Yes.
there this that and then missing people also they will wear mekhela sadar also. The name I don't know what they say. So because we have different tribes and they have different culture.
Oh,
So and
nice,
then
ma'am.
they are that weaving, no weaving, that one, that the mekhela sadar and dokhona, the flowers are very means very beautiful. That weaving culture is and the colorful dress they used to use, means they wear colorful dresses.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay. We never heard this before, ma'am. First time we are
Okay.
hearing this
You can
type of
search
tribe.
in net, you can say, you can search that the Bodo people, they have like Bodo, BODO,
Okay,
Bodo,
ma'am.
BODO. You will search, no, you'll see they have like their dance form name is like Bagorumba.
Bagurumba.
Bagorumba. Yeah, like this, they'll dance like this. They'll scarf, no? They'll take
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this, like this. They used to dance like that. And their songs also very nice. But I
Okay,
can't
ma'am.
understand
Today I'll
their
listen to
language.
songs.
And then that missing
Oh,
also, they have some like we have Bihu for harvesting festival. We have Bihu. Like that, missing people, they have Ali I Ligang. Ali
oh,
Ligang
okay,
is
ma'am. Okay.
their own harvesting, means like festival. That is you can you don't know, no, that thing in Google. You will not,
No, ma'am.
you will search, if you search like that what is Ali Ligang, you will get. But if you search for Assam, you will not get that.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
next
Okay,
we have
welcome.
Pooja, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have tasted both South Indian dish as well as Assami dish, ma'am. Can you name an Assami dish that is more or less closer to the South Indian dish, ma'am?
Fernand. Means we usually eat, our staple food is rice.
Yes, ma'am.
So rice also you will also eat, and that sambar also we eat. Same thing. We'll say dal, but you will say sambar. And then fish curry you will also eat, and then we also eat fish, chicken and all, mutton curry, everything is same. And then but you will put that thing, no, curry leaves a lot. We
Yes,
also
ma'am.
use that curry leaves, but less amount. But for
Okay.
you it's a more amount of curry leaves. And then I like rasam I like.
Awesome.
I dosa, idli, everything I like. But we'll not prepare the dosa and idli will not prepare. But our staple food is rice only. but that side dishes are more and similar. It's similar only with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Uh,
And then you use coconut, but we don't use coconut like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
With
Okay, ma'am.
cereal and all, you use coconut, but we use that coconut laddu.
oh,
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Do you make?
Laddu, like laddu form, we use coconut.
Yes.
Sweet dish.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I have a question for you, ma'am. So, can you please speak a few sentences in Assamese for us, ma'am? And also, you can teach us few phrases from Assamese.
Okay. This is Zoom period is a time limit. Okay, it's showing like time limit. Is it going to cut?
Yes, ma'am. I'll extend the time limit.
Okay, so it's like it's showing the message like this meeting no longer has a time limit. So what we'll do? I'll join again or what?
No, ma'am. We'll proceed like this.
Proceed like this? Okay, okay. And then so you will say Epri Iriking La, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you? Epri Iriking La
Epri
is
Iriking La.
So how are you? It's we'll say Tumar Bhanne.
Tumar bhanne.
Bhanne. Tumar Bhanne. It's
Bhanne.
how are you? Tumar Bhanne. Saptacha, that one. Saptingla, like that. Saptingla is
Okay.
bhat khalane.
Bhat khalane.
Bhat
Bhat
kalane.
means rice. Bhat means rice. Khalane. That one is a Saptingla.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhat
Yes.
khalane. Okay. You are no, ni romba alaga idika.
Yes,
नी
ma'am.
रोम्बा रोम्बा अलग वेडिका तुम्ही बहुत धुनिया
Tumi
Dunya.
तुम्ही
dunya.
means you
Okay, ma'am.
बहुत means romba romba yes
Yes, ma'am.
धुनिया means beautiful like your
Okay.
alaga is dhuniya. Okay.
Okay.
and then you want to know that I love you. That's nan unnai kadli kiren, right?
Yes,
Kadali.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Unnai kadli kiren. In Assam is moi
Moi
tumak bhal pao.
moi tumak
Moi
bhat pao.
tumak bhal pao. That one is I love you or kadli kiren. Nan unnai kadli kiren.
Ma'am, what is for meet you soon, see you soon, meet you soon like that?
Tumak
Tumak
oti
oti
hunkale
hunkale
log pam.
Sorry if you're wrong.
wow. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Jaldi log pam. That one is shortcut. Jaldi in Hindi also same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaldi log pam.
Jaldi lock pao. Ma'am, we all will jaldi lock pao you, ma'am.
Yeah, me too.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, अपनी बहुत धुनिया, ma'am. I don't know the correct name.
Thank you.
तुमने बहुत दुनिया.
तुमने बहुत दुनिया, ma'am.
Apuni bahut dhuniya.
अपनी बहुत दुनिया.
Okay, thank you, Nandri.
You're welcome. Welcome. ma'am.
Ma'am, to wrap it up, we have Afnan ji to ask a final question, ma'am.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am. Safna.
Hi. Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
It's a fun question.
Okay.
Would you drink Assami tea or eat idli dosa for a whole day?
Yeah, I can eat because in Coimbatore, in Avinasilingam, they used to give me that the morning breakfast is idli, sometime dosa. So whole day you are saying I can eat with idli puri
Yes,
and
ma'am.
all.
Oh,
With side idli
Yes,
puri and then idli I can eat with tea. But I like
That's
milk
fine.
tea more. Milk tea.
Yes, ma'am.
that
Here
one
comes
is
another. It,
and banana also they used to provide in Vinasilingam. Yes.
Yes. And ma'am, one more thing. If we ever visit Assam, what variety of tea would you suggest us to, get from there?
Yeah, here is like you can have
Okay, ma'am.
green tea, and then black tea.
Right.
And next is milk tea is very famous. They use milk tea a lot.
Okay, ma'am.
Milk tea, and then the taste is very nice because the tea smell is very different from the other states. So smell is very means like pleasing smell you will get, pleasant smelling you will get.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, and coffee and all in Kerala and all in that part it's famous, but here coffee is not that much famous. Tea only very famous here.
Okay, ma'am. So
Okay.
you want to ask anything to us, ma'am, like about you have any questions for us, ma'am?
Yeah. Questions
It'll be
like
kind of nostalgic for you, ma'am, because you've been here.
Yeah.
So
Yes, I liked it very much because from 2016 I didn't meet any Tamil people. Okay, so it's very nice to talk to you after so long.
Now you're
And
back
I'm
to Assam, no?
Yeah, I'm in Assam right now.
No. Okay.
Okay, means in between I went there for my PhD convocation. I went in 2018, and for 2017 also I went there for some. I have some work means I used to go there in Coimbatore. Coimbatore is very nice weather and all. I like a lot Coimbatore because I have
Yes.
visited all the places in Coimbatore. It's nearby Uti also, and nearby Kerala also. I
Yes,
went. It's 2.5 hours distance from Coimbatore to that Thrissur.
yes, ma'am.
Thrissur.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Thrissur I went. I like Kerala also. I like Kerala. And then Coimbatore, not only Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, all the places like Vellore and all Kanyakumari. I went many times to Kanyakumari. I like Kanyakumari. And then what about your point of view about Assam? You just tell me, what you think about Assamese people or about Northeastern people? What
Ma'am,
is your idea about Northeastern people?
first point you've told, ma'am, they're very much welcoming. So I strongly believe if I ever go to northeastern state, I'll be welcomed with open arms. So, and the second thing is there's a bucket list for me to taste all the varieties of food available in the northeast.
Yes, you can.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, most welcome. You can come after COVID. No, now you can't come. After when the COVID is going, I don't know when. Hopefully it will over next year, and then you can come here. Here you can visit the all national parks and all. We have hill station also. We have in us. And what you can do in we have two bridges. Okay, one is like longest bridge in India. Did you hear this bridge name, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Bridge? That is the 9 kilometers, something like that. So that one is the longest bridge in India.
Okay, ma'am. So this will occur during monsoon season. This breeze.
Yeah. No. Means now. What you can means like. Means which period is good? No, any period. Now it's a winter.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it's winter season is going on now.
Okay. Ma'am, what about the rainfall?
Rainfall now rainfall is going on somewhat, but it's going to stop because rainfall period is going to get over. Now dry season only it will come. And the rainfall will go
there,
very soon.
Will it snow there, ma'am?
No. Snow. No. You will get snow if you go to Arunachal Pradesh. It's very near to us in Assam. So if you go to Arunachal Pradesh, you will get the snowfall. In December, you will get.
Is there any
In-
is there any
we
time
have-
lapse between Tamil Nadu and Assam, ma'am?
Mhm. And no,
Time
same
lapse, same time.
time lapse.
Ma'am,
Same,
but
same.
you will have a
Same.
time lapse
Oh,
with Rajasthan, no, ma'am, because Assam is the easternmost point, no, ma'am, and here Rajasthan is the westernmost point.
We do time lapse is like that. In our what will happen? Nothing. There's time all over India. Time is same. But the thing is, what will happen? Now is the winter season. What will happen at 5 p.m.? It will be dark here. In Rajasthan and all, what will happen? Like 7 or 7:38, it will be like bright, like
Yeah.
the sunlight will be there. But we don't have sunlight. From the 5 p.m., it will be like very like feel like night time like that.
Okay. Yes. So you're telling that it will become darker, like in the evening itself, it will become
That
dark.
very soon. This winter season, yes.
Yes.
In that in Coimbatore, I've seen like 7 only. It will be like darker somewhat, no?
Yes.
Here
After
winter season,
6:30 only it will get dark.
dark. Here 5,
Yes.
4:35. It will. Yes.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
I would like to say and ask something, ma'am, one question. So, in the beginning of
Okay.
this COVID period, ma'am, I heard in the news, right, comparing to the other states in India, the northeastern part have very less cases and they are reducing the cases a lot and they are improving the safety of the people, ma'am. So, what do you think about that? Is still
Because yeah, it's all credit goes to the government only.
yes, ma'am.
Because the education minister, he took the initiative. Like that time, COVID was very less that time in India. That time itself, he took all the initiative, all the like temporary hospital he has built. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
all
ma'am.
them the safety measures, no, he had
Yes,
taken
ma'am.
that time itself, the starting itself. So it was
Very
very
nice,
less.
ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, even now with the cases are very less, ma'am.
Yeah, now also very less. It's reducing day by day.
Very appreciating thing.
Okay, thank
ma'am,
you.
and one more
Even
thing.
I have a question for you.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
Karen.
Okay. So like CAA was like mostly protested by the people exam, no, ma'am. So how was the
Mhm.
intensity in the beginning of that period, CAA period, no? So was
You
it so protesting or full of violence? Was it like that, or it was smooth?
in December, I think, in December that CAB, citizenship among
CAB,
the
yes, ma'am.
about that.
Ah,
Violence was very high that time. We don't have that time. We didn't have internet connection for maybe 21 days. They cut the internet connection here. That time it was very means violence was very
that's
high that
intense,
time.
ma'am.
Yeah, now it's all control. That lockdown period, everything gone means now we don't have that violence. Only for
Hmm.
1.5 month we had that period. Now it's all good.
Ma'am, and one more thing, ma'am. Since you are very much near to China, so do
Okay.
you find like the Chinese refugees there in Assam?
Chinese refugees, we know not in our, but Tibet and all Tibetan refugees used to come to Arunachal and all. That side you can see somewhat Tibetan and all, but in Assam we don't have.
Okay.
Assam you can see Bangladeshi people, the refugees.
Bangladesh.
We have that is the main problem for us. Bangladeshi refugees used to come a lot in Assam because from the border. Okay,
Yes.
that is the main problem in Assam.
Okay.
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 Ma'am, anybody has any other questions to ask ma'am?
I've got one.
Ma'am, pretty
If
much.
it wasn't for Assamese tea plantation, what else do you think would have been Assam known for?
Known for first one is tea plantation, second one is for petroleum. You know, no petroleum. That one
Yes,
is in
ma'am.
Assam first time. And then we have the wildlife sanctuary that Kaziranga is famous. Wildlife
ma'am.
sanctuary and Manas National Park we have. And then we have coal.
Coal mine.
We have coal mine. Yes, we have. And then we have means in some the main thing. And then you can see that Brahmaputra. You can see the river.
Okay.
And
Yes,
then that one goddess, that Kamaikha temple is very famous.
yes.
Yeah, and then in Upper Assam, I told you know Upper Assam, you can see that the Ahom dynasty. You just search in Google what is Ahom dynasty. They have ruled in Assam for 600 years.
Wow.
Okay, we have that all monuments we have like we have palaces here.
Is
I'm from
that
Sibsagar.
bloodline still continuing, ma'am? For example, in Mysore,
Bloodline,
even the
now
royal
we
family
don't have.
exists.
Yeah, royal family is there, but they don't have any power now.
Okay.
Okay.
Our
Do people
British
know
king at that time all means like we don't have any power right now.
Yes.
But that bloodline is there, but they don't have any power. But you can see the palaces, temples, and all. We have the beautiful palaces and temples we have. So you can visit that places, historical places.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Anybody else has anything to ask?
Noda.
Ma'am, and I have a question, ma'am. Like, given all these circumstances of climate change and deterioration of the exploitation of forests and using the resource extensively, so will you think this will start affecting the like the diverse state like Assam?
Yeah, what will happen? We have the elephant problem. Okay, what happened? They are destroying all the forest and all. The elephant will come to paddy fields. They will eat, they will destroy all the paddy fields and all.
Okay.
They are destroying the people's houses and all. So because they don't have any place to stay, right?
Yes.
Because they all them yeah, because of the scarcity of the forest, the elephants are coming to the means that they will come and then they destroy paddy fields and all, and then people's houses, and some people died also
Oh,
because of attacking from this elephant. Yes, that is the problem. Yes, and then we have flood problem also.
pardon me, ma'am.
Flood
Okay.
Yes,
Plot. Okay.
flood problem. What will happen? The Kaziranga National Park, I told you, no,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
during the flood time, all like deer and tiger, everything will come to the roadside, and then people will go, no, and then many accidents and many deers and then tiger, many animals died that time
Okay.
every year.
Yes, ma'am.
And people also means kill a rhino for that horn, no, one horn rhino is famous for one horn rhino.
Yeah.
And then what they will do, and they will kill the rhino and they'll take that horn.
Oh, poaching. Yes,
That is,
ma'am.
yes.
Okay.
Other than the
thing-
flood times, is there free movement of animals, ma'am?
Pardon?
Other than the flood times, is there free movement of animals, wild animals?
Yeah, free movement. Yeah, in Kaziranga, you can see if you go to the Kaziranga side, from the roadside, you can see the animals. Deer, rhino, you can see from the roadside.
Oh,
Okay.
Yes.
Mm.
ma'am, thank you so much for being here with us and sharing all this information. And I'm sure all of us will one day will visit Assam, and we'll try what and all you have told us. We'll surely visit the tourist places there, and the food you told. All
Okay.
we'll surely try.
Mm.
And thank you so much for providing us with these information. So it will be very useful for us.
Thank
And
you
also,
to you also. I liked it a lot after interacting. Nice to see
It
you
was
all.
a great time for us,
It was
ma'am.
a great time.
Yes,
for
ma'am.
Great talking for me also. And you are very means like kind hearted and all. I liked you, bubbly girls.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lovely.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
ma'am.
but
Thank you, ma'am.
ওই নাহৰ ফুল ফুলি বৰৈ বতৰ এ ধুলত চাপৰ মাৰি ধুলিয়া ওলালে ঐ গছকত ভাঙি যাওঁ যতৰ হাই হাই ও হাই হাই
At the end of this session, we, the students of class 12B, understood the importance of building a relationship based on respect and mutual trust, identify the potential barriers to relationship building, identify techniques for rapport building, and practice affirming statements. Thank you for watching our video.